It's about 5:30 right now. My name is Uncle Tang Tang, and I'm making this video on behalf of my nephew Jonathan Dekia Booger Baby Vang. He's too shy, but he wants to make a video to talk about our experience of what we had this morning at about 5:01. Jonathan, you want to tell the world what happened?
Well, the fire alarm beeped, and I was scared. After I was scared, I ran outside. We went down the fire stairs, and then after we did that, we went outside and went to the fire truck to the lobby. After that, we stayed for a little bit, and we went back to our rooms.
It was a loud noise, huh?
Hmm.
Can you replicate what the noise was?
A beeping loud noise.
Well, well, how did it sound?
Beep,
Good
beep.
job.
Bye.
Embassy Suites, you suck.